Tired of scrolling through hundreds of unorganized images in Holstinger? You upload one photo for your homepage, another for your blog, and a few for your product pages, but they all get dumped into one giant flat list. It's a mess, right? Well, learn how to create folders in just 2 minutes and you will never waste time hunting for an image again. First, we will open the media library, then create a folder, and finally give it a name that makes sense. Let's dive in. Alright, start by navigating to your Holstinger website builder dashboard. This is the main screen where you edit your site. You should see the project you are working on, so go ahead and open it up. We are going straight to the tool that holds all your pictures and videos. Now locate the media library icon on the left panel. It looks like a little photograph or a landscape picture. In Holstinger, it is usually labeled Photo Library. Click on that. This opens up the big list of every single file you have ever uploaded. It looks a bit chaotic right now, but we are about to fix that. In the media library, find and click the Create Folder button. It is usually near the top of the screen. The moment you click it, a brand new folder appears in the list. You should see a little yellow highlight or a border around it, which is Holstinger telling you, hey, this is the new one you just made. After creating it, you will see that new folder highlighted. Click on it to select it. We want to make sure we are working with exactly this folder and not accidentally renaming something else. Now navigate back to My Library to see your folder clearly. You might see a breadcrumb trail or a back button up at the top. Clicking My Library just refreshes the view and shows you the parent directory where that folder lives. It helps you see the folder sitting there, ready to be organized. Hover over the folder with your mouse, and then click the three-dot menu icon. Some people call it the kebab menu because the 3 dots look like a tiny kebab skewer. This opens up a small list of options for that specific folder. From that menu, select Rename. This is the option that lets you change the default name from New Folder to something useful. So go ahead and click that. Type your desired folder name. I recommend using something really clear, like Homepage Images or Summer Sale 2026. Just type it right into the text field that appears. Once you are happy with it, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. That one step right there is the entire secret to staying organized. Check that your folder appears in the library with the new name. You should see it sitting there among your files, but now it says something you actually recognize. It is a small win, but it makes a huge difference. Now drag and drop your images into the folder to keep them organized. You can click and hold any image file, drag it directly on top of your new folder, and let go. The file will disappear from the main list and tuck itself inside that folder. Do this for all your photos, and suddenly your media library goes from a cluttered junk drawer to a neatly sorted filing cabinet. And that is it. Seriously. From a disorganized mess to a clean, structured library where you can find any image in seconds. Give it a try on your own site, and you will wonder why you didn't do it sooner. Happy building!